Open the Flitpay app and enter login details to sign into your Flitpay account. Click on Wallet at the bottom navigation bar of the app. Click on the Deposit and then select the Crypto Deposit option. Search and select the crypto you want to deposit on Flitpay. Now select the deposit network. Scan the QR code or copy the deposit address and paste it into the wallet from where you are withdrawing/transferring the crypto to Flitpay. Ensure that you have entered the correct deposit address, as a wrong deposit address may lead to fund loss. Crypto products and NFTs are unregulatory and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions. For any queries and concern, write to us at support.flitpay.com.